Okay, so let's discuss about the atomic structure. So today we are going to start a new topic or new lecture, or we can say new chapter, that is atomic structure. So here, what does the word structure mean? As atomic, we all know atom. So what does the word structure mean? So it means basically the position, location, or we can say placement of particles in a space. Okay, placements of particle in a space. Now here the particle word arises. So here, like more than 100 particles are present in our universe, in our world. More than 100 particles are present. But from these 100 like here, these are mesons, hadrons, and these all, there are 100 of particles. But from these 100, the most used, or we can say three fundamental are, there are three fundamentals. So those are, we all know, electron, proton and neutron. So now let's discuss about their discoveries. So today we are going through the discovery of proton and electron. So let me write here. Proton and electron. Okay, so let's see. First of all, name of scientist. Electron, proton. Electron was discovered by William Crookes, and proton was discovered by Goldstein. Okay, so basically they discovery was electron was discovered by William Crookes and proton Goldstein. So now on which experiment they did work on? So now here name of experiment. Name of experiment was basically the electrolysis. So now what does the electrolysis mean? This means the passing of current through the low pressure of gas and the discharge tube. Passing of current through low pressure of gas and discharge tube. Okay, like here they are saying electrolyte simply means that the current is passing with the low pressure of gas and the discharge tube. So now name of the instrument which they use in this experiment. So basically the name of instrument is Glissler tube. Okay, this was the instrument which was used in the discharge tube. Okay, so now let's come to the construction of like this. Let me write here. Okay, so here in the construction, let me draw the picture. Okay, and here we have one pressure wise. Now here you can see this is the anode. Okay, here we are giving the voltage 5000 to 10,000, 100,000, 10,000. Okay, so here, now here we have the three things which that to be noticed. So number one is at ordinary pressure. At ordinary pressure. So at ordinary pressure there will be the no conduction. Here the now word conduction, what does the conduction means? The conduction means flow of current from anode to cathode. So now you all have to remember that if we have the ordinary temperature, not high, not low, ordinary, so on that pressure there will be no conduction process because the electron will not move from anode to cathode just because of at ordinary temperature. Okay, so now second we have at lowering temperature. If we will lower the temperature, so what happened? Let me tell you. Okay, so the lowering the temperature, basically like here you can see this was the negative sign which is placed here. After that here in this we put the hydrogen gas. So here we have also the hydrogen gas. So the connection between them is basically the collisions or clashes. So when this negative charge or hydrogen gas will collide together, so the glow shining will occur, means this light or tube will glow up. Okay, light or tube glow up. Okay, so this is basically on the lowering temperature. If we'll give the lower temperature, so these particles and this negative charge will collide with each other, and with due respect these with the help of these collisions there will be the glow in this discharge tube. Now third we have that at pressure 0.01 torr. So as we know that this pressure is totally lowest, so at this pressure we can say as lowest pressure, what will happen? Here we have again this negative one sign, here we have some particles. Okay, so when there will no glow. How no glow? Because at the lowest temperature 0.01 there is no glow. However, we see that at the lowering pressure there was a glow in whole the discharge tube. But when we give very small amount of pressure, that is 0.01 torr, at that time the glow just removed from the discharge tube. You can see that, so there is overflow. But so now after that the scientists realized that when there is the lowest pressure, what is happening that this side is glowing, other is whole darkness is in this side is glowing. What is the purpose of that? How is it glowing? So yeah, that scientist was Stoney. He said basically that there is a negative charge that attract from these positive charge and glow at the end of the glass. Okay, so at this lower temperature there will be the glow, but at the end of glass here will be the glow. Okay, so now let me tell you one more thing. After this glowing there will be the cathode rays and that was said by the Stoney, that he said that there is a particle, those are negative charge. There is a charge that is negative. With the help of negative charge, there is glow on the end of the glass. Hopefully this atomic structure first lecture is clear to you guys. In the next video we are going to discuss about the properties of cathode rays. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.